Hello friend, welcome back to Hawkstack channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a local repository in RHEL, means Red Hat Enterprise Linux. This is very useful when you don't have the internet and want to install the package offline. So, what the things that you have to do? First things, let's try to install any package. So we are getting that we don't have the local repository creation. That's why we cannot install it. So first step is to check the lsplk. We get this image there, run media root. This image is required for us. What will be the next step? In next step, you have to create a directory. So we are creating a directory mkdir slash software. We are giving software name. You can give any name. After it, what the next step? You have to copy cp-rf from which location? Run media root RHEL. Then from there will be app stream. You have to copy this information to the software location. Just copy it. When the task is completed related to the copying for the app stream, we have to copy for the second file for the base OS. So first we have to copy for app stream, and second step we have to copy for the base OS, and both are important to copy. Then in next step we have to do some other task. It will take some time in order to copy, so we have to wait till now. If there are large data, it will definitely take some time. So with the help of local repository creation, we will able to install the package in offline also if you don't have the internet connectivity, and it will be fine for us. Sometime if you don't have such types of subscription to Red Hat, you are just using this method to install the packages in your system. It will take some time for copying the data related to AppStream. So it have done. Then the next task, cp-rf, then run media root RHEL, then base OS, then in software location. Just hit enter and wait for a while. After completion of the copying of file, you have to go to a specific location. The location will be /etc/yum.repos.d. In that location, you have to go and you have to create a file. In that file, you have to mention some information, and after mentioning those information, we will be able to create the local repository. So what we have to do, we have to just go to the location first, cd etc yum.repos.d. In this location, you have to create a file. So which file we have to create? Just like vim package.repo. So repo extension is required. Mention package.repo. After mentioning package.repo, what's the next task that we have required? Come to the file, press I for insert, then in bracket mention app stream, then name app stream. Just try to see that you are not making any spelling mistake. Then mention base URL. In base URL, what you have to mention? File colon double forward slash. Now you have to give the path. Which path? the path where you have saved the data from the slash run location you have seen. So the data is slash software slash app stream. So you have to mention slash software slash app stream, then enabled will be 1, GPG check, we have to make it 0. Then in a similar template, you have to mention base OS, then name, name is equal to base OS, then base URL, file colon, double forward slash, then the location, which is slash software slash base OS, then mention enabled 1, then mention GPG check, which is 0. After it, if everything is well and fine, just save the file. After saving the file, what is the next task that you have to do? I am coming to my home directory, then DNF clean all. So if there are some files related to the repository, if it is already present in your system, so the unnecessary file will be cleaned, then DNF make cache. So it will update the metadata regarding your repo list or repository. Then DNF repo list. So right now it's showing two, one app stream and one base OS. Now, if you have to check that they are enabled or not, so DNF repo list all. So it will show you that both are enabled. If it is well and fine, then it is the right time to check. First, when we have started the session, when we started the class, we have seen that we are trying to install the package DNF install HTTP, but it's not allowed. Right now, it is time to check DNF install HTTPD-Y. It is already there, so just remove and then try to install. DNF remove HTTPD-Y. It is removing. And for installing purpose, DNF install HTTPD-Y. So with the help of our local repository creation, we are able to install the package very well. So that's all for today, guys. We will meet again in next video. Thank you.